How to get high quality backlinks for free. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to get free backlinks, high quality backlinks for your website and to improve the SEO of your website to make more money. So let's get started. Today I will be using a free platform. As I said in the start of the video, it's going to be a way you can get backlinks for free. So this platform is completely free, helpareporter.com. Once you go to helpareporter.com, this is where you will land. HARO stands for helpareporter.com, and that's what the website is called. This is a hub for sources and journalists to create backlinks. For journalists, they can get the sources, and if we sign up as a source, then we can get backlinks. How to get started with helpareporter.com? Once you get to the website, you will click on sign up and it will take you to the registration form, which is very easy. So all you need to do is you will enter your first name right here, then you have to enter your last name, your email address, your phone number, country, you can select from all of the countries available. Then we have company, set up a reasonable password. You will select I am not a robot, agree to terms and services, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, this is where you will get. You can see we have HARO account now, and it's actually really easy and a very simple platform. But before I show you how to create a page and how it works, let's focus on the part how we will get high quality backlinks. On HARO, we have high authority journalists available. Different media outlets using HARO are, you can see we have Chicago, then we have Time, we have New York Times, and then we have ABC, foxnews.com. So the journalists that are writing articles and that are, printing news for these media outlets, they are high quality and high authority websites. And as a complete beginner, if I get an attention of a reporter from these platforms, and if I present them with a source which is a good source, they will of course add it to their news, and then they will add me as their source. And when they will add it, I will get a backlink of course to my website, and this way I will be able to improve the SEO of my website, and actually it will help my website rank higher. How to create the sources? Well, you can go to HARO dashboard and you can go to my pages. It will show you all of the pages that you have already created. To create a new one, you will click on submit a new page. Here you will enter the reporter's email, the query info. So if you have any queries, or if you know a source, you know something about your niche, we are signing up as a source on helpareporter.com. We are not signing up as a journalist. Keep that in mind, because we are focusing on the part how to build backlinks, and that is why we will select I am a source. So once you select I am a source, of course, then we can create pages. So on page, we have query info. So if there was an inquiry and they asked about the info and you are the expert in that niche, you have thoughts about it, you can add them right here. So if your thoughts, because you are an expert, don't, write about something you don't know, or write about another niche which is not your category. Don't do that. Select your category, select your niche, the blog that you run, any websites that you have, you will write the pitch about that. So here we will enter the reporter email. Now this email can be found from any of the queries, any of the platforms, wherever you got the email from, maybe their own portfolio. So you will enter it here. Then you have to enter the subject line and pitch. Now, right here in the subject line and pitch, you have to write something engaging, and you will have to write something which is meaningful and thoughtful so that the journalist actually approaches you. So just enter the subject and pitch line, click on submit, and your pitch will be submitted to HARO, help a reporter out. This will help the reporter, and they will add me as their source on their website, on a high authority website. And that is how we get high quality backlinks for free. This is the best thing about helpareporter.com. There are other HARO platforms out there, but they have different plans and they're not free. But this platform is completely free. If you search for Haro, then you will actually find a lot of other platforms. So that is why I am mentioning the name of the website again and again, so that you know this is the one which is completely free. Right here in our pitch, you will enter your thoughts, and let me actually give you an example of how a pitch looks, any pitch that you send to a reporter. So here we have a sample for the Hero query, and you can see they have added a query. Hello, looking for more bartenders, former or current, who would like to contribute to a piece on flirting and first date mistakes you've seen people make when they go to the bars. So this is a very interesting query, and they've entered their email address. Now let's say that I know a bartender, or I have worked as a bartender. What I will do is, or I am in this niche, and I know I will contact the bartender and get this, I will get a source from them. So what I will do is I will, get the email from here and paste that email to our section on Hero here in the email section. And then what we will do is we will write a pitch. So what you need to do is you will enter hello and the reporter's name, and then here's another pitch from a Hero source. So you can see, best the Hero team. Now you have to enter a subject line. Write to the point. Don't go over the board and write something they did not ask for. So you know a bartender, and what you can do is you can just give them a source in 300 words. 300 is the limit for the pitch. Most of the reporters actually prefer a pitch with 175 words. So you don't need to write paragraphs, and don't write too much. Just give them what they want and they will get a source, and then they will add you as their source in their high authority website, and we will get a high authority link. So this is how the query and the pitches work right here. So this is how you can create backlinks for free using Hero. Once you sign for Hero right here, helperreporter.com, you will also get your own account. And what I want you guys to do is to actually get the best results and to find the best queries. Scroll down right here and you will find your Hero preferences. You're now subscribed to Master Hero. Don't worry, sign up to those queries even quicker by checking off specific lists below. So what I can do is I can assign to the queries according to my niche, according to my category. For example, if I am in high tech, I will select this option so that I can get the queries for this, because I will be able to actually give them pitches. I will be able to give pitches to the reporters. Similarly, we have sports, and we have travel, we have business and finance, healthcare, biotech, entertainment, and media. So you can select these, and then you can start writing pitches and get backlinks with the help of Hero. So it is actually a very interesting way of building backlinks, and one of the most effective ways to get high authority, high quality backlinks for free. And you will be able to then work on the SEO of your website eventually, and it will help you rank your website higher. You will get better results. You will get the traffic you always wanted. And as a complete beginner, getting a high quality backlink helps us a lot. So this way I will be able to, if I have my own blog, if I have my own website portfolio, that will help me build it, and that will help me grow my business even and make more money with my website, with my own blog, by just creating backlinks. And the best part about it is that we do not require any kind of investment in it, because we're doing it for free, and then we will be making thousands of dollars at the end with the backlinks that we create. So this was a very easy tutorial for you guys to just show you how to get started and what is a free platform that helps you get the backlinks. I hope you understand it now in very easy words, that how you can create pitches and send to reporters right here, helper reporter, and then get backlinks to your website. I hope that this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.